Yeah, the SMEC booth is incredible. We've represented SMEC since 2011. And this is by far the best display that we've seen in our time representing SMEC. As far as the new product from SMEC, whether that be the STX or the MBF, it's allowing customers to be able to do parts and less operations and get more throughput throughout the shop.
We came over to Korea on SMEC invitation, over 20 of our customers. We were allowed to see the factory, which was amazing experience, seeing the quality of builds, the attention to details of products. We've seen the vision where the company is going. It really builds confidence within the brand. And now we are here on the Simtos and, seeing by far the biggest booth on the exhibition. Over 20 machines. We've got turning centers, we've got milling centers, we've got 5-axis machining centers. The amount of people going through the booth is amazing. And now we can see that each machine has like SMEC engineers standing right in front of it, being able to help you out. You cannot ask for anything else.
제조 산업은 언제나 변화의 중심에 있었고 더 나은 생산과 효율을 향한 도전이 계속되어 왔습니다. 심토스 2026년에서 스맥은 단순히 새로운 장비를 선보이는 것을 넘어 우리가 바라보는 제조의 미래와 그 방향성을 함께 나누고자 합니다. 스맥은 오랜 시간 제조 현장과 함께하며 안정적이고 효율적인 생산을 위한 고민을 이어왔습니다. 우리가 제안하는 장비와 솔루션은 하나의 목표를 향하고 있습니다. 고객의 생산 환경을 더 단순하고 안정적으로 만들고 변화에 유연하게 대응할 수 있도록 돕는 것. 스맥은 그 여정의 중심에서 고객과 함께 미래를 만들어 가겠습니다.